Senator, from your perspective, what was it here that enabled this kind of this bipartisan dynamic to come together? It sounds like you had Senator Graham, who could work with members of his own party. You were joined by others on your side of the aisle, but what were the key elements that helped make this this legislation possible from your perspective in the Senate?
From my perspective, I work on a bipartisan basis every day. And I had been working with Senator Graham for about 5 years before this on ending sexual assault in the military. And we both served on the Armed Services Committee. And we really worked hard over many years trying to find common ground on how to reform how the military dealt with this issue. And so we had a very good working relationship. When Gretchen approached us about employment contracts, it was something that Lindsay felt very comfortable doing. So he said, here you go, Kirsten, this is something I can agree with you on. So it was just a way for him to continue the work we'd been doing in a much more difficult context. This was very easy common ground for us. And so once we paired up on this, getting a majority in the Senate was not difficult because both of us have a great deal of goodwill developed with our colleagues on understanding these constitutional issues and understanding the problems of sexual assault and sexual harassment. And we'd been working together for so long that people saw when we agreed that this must be really common ground. And so that was necessary. And then second to that was getting Joni Ernst engaged. She had some initial concerns that were dealt with the amendment in the House, same with Mike Lee. And so when those two senators felt we'd gotten the bill to the right place, they were able to sign off. That was absolutely necessary. And so it's about time. The most precious commodity in the Senate is the time that you have a bill on the floor. And there's only so many bills that will ever get the benefit of a vote. And so Senator Schumer and I have such a good relationship that he made this a priority.